So many goalkeepers are reacting to the fact that this is a different ball. They're experiencing differences in training, and that's entirely expected at altitude particularly, where the ball is travelling faster through the air. So perhaps the ball is arriving at them 2 or 3 diameters quicker than they would have expected it. And so it's perhaps natural that they're turning around and saying, you know, this ball is behaving differently.
We know players like Messi, like Beckham, like Ronaldo, so they are famous for their special kicking abilities. And we know also that they are able to deliver a special kick. So and that's also sometimes the cause that you see that kind of erratic flight of a ball, because that only occurs when the player provide no spin to the ball. So these straight kicks, they are subject to ball deflection, to trajectory deviation. And here, of course, this ball, I'd say, encouraged the player to go for more extreme shots because they have higher confidence that the ball really does what they want to do.
Absolutely. And as the players have developed their skill levels, they're now able to control the ball much more than ever before. And particularly when players kick with no spin, you get the effect of the fact the ball is a sphere coming into play. There's a well-renowned aerodynamicist, Dr. Kim Blair from MIT at Boston, who's been on record saying, if you want the ball to behave aerodynamically, then don't make it a sphere. Make it something like an aircraft wing shape. Because the fact that this is a sphere means the ball will experience instabilities in flight. Every ball does.
We are pretty aware of the different weather conditions, climate conditions we could probably have in South Africa, and also the difference in altitude. And certainly we know that the ball in high altitude reacts a little differently compared to sea level. And, but that's nothing we can change. We cannot change the ball design. We cannot deliver special balls for high altitude and sea level. So, but I think this is also a little bit the special nature of the tournament, that the different teams, they have to cope with that. And they all know, or we know, that the ball will travel a little faster in high altitude compared to sea level.